I love Christmas. It's my favourite time of the year. To celebrate this Christmas, I've got 4 delicious recipe ideas to share, all with an Asian twist. It wouldn't be Christmas without a juicy roast turkey. My cranberry soy bacon turkey is super easy and packed full of delicious flavours.
Blitz some dried cranberries and butter in a food processor. Use the mixture to thoroughly coat the turkey, making sure to get plenty under the skin. Then stuff with spring onion, white onions, ginger and garlic. Season with sea salt, cracked black pepper and a generous drizzle of rapeseed oil. Then roast at 180 degrees for 2 hours, covering with foil halfway to stop the bird from drying out. When there's 12 minutes left, remove the foil and lay smoked bacon rashers over the breast. For a delicious savoury pop, mix Lee Kum Kee's Premium Light Soy Sauce with rapeseed oil. Then brush all over the bird and return to the oven for the remaining time. Once done, let it rest for 15 minutes, then serve with your favourite trimmings. Beautiful!
Next, I'm going to show you how to add a touch of luxury to your spuds with my XO sauce roasted Hasselback potatoes.
Place each potato between 2 wooden spoons and slice all across its length, making sure not to cut all the way through. Transfer to a roasting dish and season with salt and ground black pepper. Drizzle over some rapeseed oil and roast them slices up. Once done, place on a serving dish and generously spoon over Lee Kum Kee's XO sauce. This gourmet sauce is made from the finest dried scallops, shrimps, red chilies and spices. A super easy way to inject big flavour into your Christmas dinner.
Next up, my honey soy roasted carrots, parsnips and sprouts. It's the perfect Asian style trimming, packed full of flavour.
Parboil Brussels sprouts in boiling water for 1 minute. Then place them on a tray with the rest of the vegetables and pour over Lee Kum Kee's honey and soy stir-fry sauce. It'll give the veggies a distinct sweet savoury flavour. Sprinkle over with garlic and chilli and season with Lee Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce for a deep rich colour. Drizzle generously with rapeseed oil and roast. Once done, transfer to a dish and serve immediately.
Lastly, the most important element that brings the whole Christmas dinner together, it's my oyster sauce shiitake mushroom gravy.
In a hot wok, add rapeseed oil, ginger, red onions and spring onions. After 2 minutes, add water, dried shiitake mushrooms and Lee Kum Kee's premium dark soy sauce for a rich colour, premium oyster sauce for a deep savoury note and premium mushroom seasoning powder for an umami sweetness. Bring to the boil and stir in some cornflour slurry to thicken. Garnish with finely chopped chives and serve immediately. A delicious finishing touch for your Christmas feast.
So there it is, my kind of Christmas day, Asian style. Let me know in the comments below your favourite Christmas dishes and don't forget to subscribe for some more recipe ideas.